tutorial, so I will show you how to integrate n8n into like helper chats, which you can have any workflow you want. So basically, I have prepared this tutorial, and I will try to follow it myself, and you will see how I set up everything from scratch. I just have prepared like embed code, and I have this new department. It's my own hosting, right? So first thing we need to do is just following tutorial. We can download this file, and we can just import it in no, this n8. So first of all, we will need like credential for OpenAI, which I have created already. Once you do that, we can go to workflows. We can create new workflow, and we can click here and click import from file. And today it's this one. And you see we have imported it, and I change nothing in it. You might need to change just OpenAI and make sure you choose correct OpenAI account and correct model. So back to next, you can just click here and just copy this URL. A path you might need to change or you want to change because of security, you can also implement if you want authentication at the end. I would just to avoid colliding with my previous setup, I just put like 8.8 will be my end point. Canvas, click save. So from this part, it's not inactivate, but I will activate it a little bit later. Also, we have option here how you can use the Redis as a storage, because we have this expiry option which deletes, for example, chat history after 1 hour. So next thing, by tutorial, we need to import REST calls. We go to yeah. So we go, yeah, that's just a sample how we can run this n8 via Docker. So this is workflow file. Now we just download this STPI file from. We just so we change this. Oh, this. That I'll book you. Oh, which can we will use for the moment only test one. We just basically so for a moment that's it. Go to port user SPI. We just import it, and we just download the port. So if we go to now so see here serves all the default and unknown messages and goes to n8 configuration response, and if something fails, so we will get this message where you can like add transfer to operator action and so on. So next thing we have to just my departments it and choose create a plot. If okay, now we that we click workflow. It's waiting now. Click it worked from the first time, and the workflow was executed. So it's a I did that in just a few minutes, and you see everything is working. Now you can just extend this part and have much more complicated logic where I provided few samples in documentation, which you can follow and have even more subflows using this part. In like helper chat, you will not need to do anything else. Except we can just put it to production, so we will not have to click each time this execute workflow and write a message. So we just activate it, and now we go to we remove just test. If we write my name is it does not have streaming, just one disadvantage if you are using it via n8 in the for example. Now write is name. He remembers my name. So that's a simple way. You can also extend this one AI agent. Also add like add option like not here, but you can add like system. There is somewhere system prompt you can add to this agent. I don't remember exactly in which play system message. Here there is system message. You can change it. There is much more if you want. But I'm not an n8 expert. But now just once you have integration, you can do whatever you want in this place, and LHC will work as a proxy, just everything working. So that's it.